Adjust the appropriate temperature of the soldering iron. Place the soldering iron on the soldering iron frame. Avoid damaging the wire. Soldering. Wire. Welding procedure. Heating the welding plate and pin. Send tin. Withdraw the soldering iron. Volatile smoke is harmful to human body. Try to avoid inhaling into the lung. Filter can be used to remove the purifier. Electrostatic bracelet. Protect the components from electrostatic damage. Bend the component pin according to the aperture of the circuit board. Insert the hole in the pad. Slightly bend the fixer. Moisten with water with a high temperature. Sponge. Scrape off the auxiliary oxides on the iron. Heat the pad and pins at the same time. Send tin. Pull out the iron along the direction of the pins. Clean up the tip of the iron. Cut off the excess pins. And disweld.